now we look at all this and we go, okay, we're kind of somewhere, but remember, this is the camera original. So we want to go in and do a little bit of color correction. You double click on your clip right here, and we're going to go to our effects. This is where you do your color correction. Okay, you go to video effects, color correction, and you want to use Lumetri color. So I'll take this Lumetri color and I'll drag it onto here. Now it's in there, so I go to effect controls. So I want to control that effect I just put on. See how Lumetri just popped up right here? So you have all these options down here. So I can go in here and say basic correction. Actually, let me try it on this clip that we did down here, that we changed the motion. Remember we zoomed in on her? Let's use this one instead. Okay. So again, I want to color correct this. I want to have it look better. So my color, I haven't done anything yet. So I'm going to go into my basic color correction, and I'm going to go down here, just kind of start looking at stuff that I can do. I can tweak the temperature, okay? I can make it oranger or bluer. And if I'm like, oh, I messed up, I want to get it back to 0, boom. I just go like that and it resets it. See that reset parameter? So maybe I want it to be a little warmer, or I want it to be a little bit cooler, or nothing. I messed up, I don't want to do anything, okay? Or I can go to a really good one down here, saturation. This is a really good one. It just brings in more color. You can do all kinds of stuff in this color corrector. I can go in there and say, I want the blacks to be deeper. We can do anything on this color. It's so great. This is such an amazing tool to get in here and change things. You can make this black blacker. And I'll reset it back. Okay, but let's just say, you know, I can go to all the highlights. Maybe I want all the white in her face to be whiter. So this is how you do all your color correction. You can make stuff look really good. So let's say we just want to make it black and white. Like, oh, we want this spot black and white. So I'll roll all the saturation out, right? Make it black and white. And then you're like, well, all my other shots are in color right now. This is really important. So I correct one of these and I want to make the others look the same, right? So you go right click over the clip down here. See that? I'm going to go copy. I'm going to hold down shift and I'm going to highlight all these other clips that we used. And then I'm going to go right click, paste attributes. It's going to bring up this window. It's going to ask me, do you want to zoom in on all the other shots like you did to that one? And we're going to say, no, that was just that one shot. All I want to do, not the opacity, not the time remapping, all I want is to apply this black and white Lumetri color to everything else. So I go, okay, boom, now the whole commercial is in black and white. So now she's all in black and white, and this is our commercial. It's starting to look pretty good. Maybe in the beginning, let's zoom in, we just kind of pop in here, boom. Or maybe we want to like fade in.
Being a dancer.
So that fade just looks a little slicker, coming up like that.
Being a dancer is like you go every day, you put all your work and effort into it, and then the days that your leg is shaking, even though it's as high as it can go, you have to make it go higher. Even though your muscles hurt every night, you have to get back, get up, and go do it again the next day. I don't know, just being on stage is like, it's like home.
That's pretty much it. We went to a completed thing here.